Okay, here's a heads up. I want you to watch this video. You see this temple behind me? This is the temple that is currently at the place where the third temple in Israel is proposed to be built. You want to pay close attention to this Dome of the Rocks. It has significance in the end time prophecy. The only way the temple is going to be built is going to cause geopolitical unrest. And when you see this being negotiated, you better know that your redemption is drawing nigh, as the prophets have already told us. Jesus is coming, and he's coming soon. And he will arrive on this mountain, which is called the Mount Olive, where he ascended from. He will arrive, which is about 1.5 miles apart. There's a lot to go on that goes on in this part of the world. You really want to pay attention to these historical landmarks. Keep your eye on Israel, because it is the prize.